Hello friends, once again I am here with my new topic dual axis charts in Tableau. Dual axis, from name you can understand that it will have two axes together. So friends, you can understand that grouped bar chart will if you videos after few videos I will tell you what are grouped bar chart. Basically, grouped bar chart is plotted for two quantitative variables and one categorical variable. But what happens if the range of the quantitative variables differ significantly, very large? For example, consider the overall sales of a product of different brands in a city versus individual product sale. In such cases, the grouped bar chart or stacked bar chart will not be helpful. So, as the bars representing the individual price will be very small, then how we can draw it from grouped bar chart? So, in these cases, we consider dual axis bar chart, which are very useful in for plot of the range of quantitative variable differ significantly. Drawing insights from the which variables have very large difference. In such a bar chart, there are two y-axis and one each side representing a quantitative variable. The categorical variable represented on the x-axis. So we can understand that two variables will be represented on the y-axis. One categorical variable will be there on x-axis. So a dual axis bar chart is extremely useful when you want to compare measures with different scales. So I hope you can understand what are dual axis chart from these definitions. Now we will go to Tableau. How we will plot dual axis chart. Now we will understand. Dual axis chart will have two axes, sales and profit. Sales across different subcategory. Now what we will do, we are a subcategory. Let's simply drag and drop subcategory here. So these are the subcategories of the products. Till now we are using same data set, sample superstore, which is freely available from Tableau itself. Now go to sales, simply drag and drop sales here. Sorry. So we can understand these are the sales across different subcategories. If I want to compare sales by profit, then what I will do, which is achieved by every subcategory, profit by sales by every subcategory. Then I will simply drag and drop profit here. So what are two graphs representing here? Sales versus subcategory and profit versus subcategory. When you when you break one of your chart into two different components using two different measure. When you break one of your chart into two different components using two different measure. There is a chart of subcategory on basis of two different measures, sales and profit. Then the chart will appear like this. If you want to do some changes, then what we can do? See, want change the color red. So we can easily do color for both will be changed together. If I want to change the color of any one chart, either profit or either sales, what I will do? I will simply Go here. And I will change the color of this one. Let's see this color. So sorry, I have changed the color of sales. And if I want to change the color of profit, simply click here and we can do this by yellow will not appear, I think. So friends, I hope you can understand that we can change it separately. So if you want to change this chart to another chart, then also we can do. So what we can do here, we can understand border are automatic. See, by simply clicking here, we can change the R chart to some another chart we want to appear. We won't make it clear. Then, if we want to change this to the line chart, see, it will change to the line chart. So, friends, we can see that each subcategory is showing profit, sales of different subcategory. It is showing profit and sales. Similarly, here too, it is showing profit and sales for different subcategories here too. If we want to merge both the charts, what we will do, simply right click here and click here dual axis. So we can understand that both the chart are merged. Then what we will do now, but this one chart is showing some indirect connection at some points. Then what we will do, to make it clear, we will simply right click on sum of sales and we will convert this to a bar chart again. Then you can see the beauty of Tableau, how simply it can convert to anything, to a bar chart, line chart, anything, by simply drag and drop or simply by clicking. Then we can see that profit sales on a single chart. So this chart is basically misleading. How? For sales, axis is here, but for profit is axis is here. So if we see at here, we will see simply that by this sale profit is this. It's not possible. Practically it's not possible. Then what we will do, by simply right clicking, the option will be here synchronize axis. Then now it's a final dual axis chart. It's a final dual axis chart which is in a correct format where two different measures are together. One is sales, one is profit. See, if sales is this much, then profit is this much. Now it's really relevant. We can easily understand that if sales is how much, this much, then profit should can be this much. But before some time we can see sales was here, profit is here. So these kind of chart can mislead. So friends, I hope you understood the video. I hope you learned how to visualize dual axis charts. According to our requirement, we can have some other changes like labeling, size, something. So this is all about dual axis charts. What we will do, yes, this is all about dual axis chart. I hope you learned, you understood the video, you enjoy the video. So thank you so much.